Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what you need to change, your mother's name on PAN. Once confirmed, locate your PAN card and digital copy, make scanned PDFs. Next, collect maternal proof, birth certificate or school record, and a notarized affidavit stating the correct name. You should also have your ID proof ready, like Aadhaar or passport. Start the online PAN correction application now. Choose the option for name change of mother, because that directs which documents the system will request and why each one matters. You will fill Form 49A or 49AA for corrections, select the mother name field and enter the exact correct spelling. After that, upload your scanned affidavit, the maternal proof, and your ID proof in the specified formats. Ensure scans are clear and sizes meet limits. Once uploaded, pay the required fee online, save the transaction receipt. Then, print the acknowledgement and, if required, send it with attested copies by post. Make sure to follow the application portal's instruction for physical verification. You finish by tracking the application with your acknowledgement number and watching status updates. Processing may take several business days. If the change is approved, you'll receive the updated PAN details and a new card. Make sure the mother's name matches your submitted proof. If the application is rejected, review the portal message carefully, correct the specific document or spelling, and resubmit promptly. Often a single missing attestation causes rejections. Keep all originals and receipts until the new PAN is delivered. In case verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.